Need to provide a quote before starting work? FreshBooks estimates look professional and, best of all, convert to an invoice in one click when the project is approved. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Create a new estimate, just like an invoice. Add line items, rates, and a proposal message. Send it to your client. They can review and approve it directly from their portal. Once approved, you'll see a magic button, Convert to Invoice. Click it. All the line items, amounts, and client details copy over instantly. You can make any final adjustments and send the official invoice immediately. My crucial pro tip? Use the markup feature on cost-based estimates. If you're estimating based on product costs, use the markup column. Enter your cost, set a percentage markup, and FreshBooks calculates the sell price automatically. It ensures your profit is built right in. Streamline your sales process from quote to cash. What's your biggest win from using estimates versus just sending an invoice? For more guides on streamlining sales, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.